welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing the recipe of spring rolls. For the spring rolls, we'll also be making the spring roll sheet, which is very easy to make. It is time consuming, but seriously guys, it's really amazing. Let's get started. In a bowl, take 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour, half cup corn flour and half teaspoon salt. Give it a mix. After mixing it well, add 2 tablespoons of oil. This is refined oil. Crumble and mix it well. It should hold its shape like this. Only then the spring rolls will turn crispy. This is perfect. Now add water as required and form a semi-soft dough. Add water little by little. The dough shouldn't be very hard as well as it shouldn't be very soft. Our semi-soft dough is ready. Keep it in the bowl and cover it with a lid and let it rest for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you will notice that the dough will turn very soft. Now divide the dough into 10 small portions. Take 1 portion of the dough and sprinkle some flour over it. Roll it slightly. Take another portion of the dough and roll it in the same way. Now brush some oil over the dough. Apply good amount of oil. Now sprinkle generous amount of maida over the dough. And guys, do not hesitate adding lots of oil and maida because it only helps in separating the sheets. Now place one over the other and roll it very thin. Heat a pan nicely and then bring it to medium flame. Place over the dough and cook on each side for just 30 seconds. Make sure the dough doesn't get brown spots like we get in chapati. You need to cook until you see white spots. I am able to see the white spots. Now I am going to take it off from the flame. Now separate the sheets very gently. If it gets stuck somewhere, just use back side of the spoon to just scrape it off. The sheet is nice, thin and transparent. This is perfect. And guys, you can store these sheets in an airtight container and keep it in the freezer. And guys, this sheet can also be used for making frankies, onion samosas, etc. With this measurement, we can make 10 sheets. Now let's make the stuffing. In a pan, heat 2 teaspoons of oil. To the hot oil, add 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger and garlic. Saute for few seconds. Then goes 1 medium-sized thinly sliced onion. Saute for few seconds. Add half cup of grated carrot, 1 thinly sliced capsicum and 2.5 cups of thinly sliced cabbage. It weighs 250 grams. In medium flame, cook it for only 2 minutes. Do not overcook. Now add 2 teaspoons of chili sauce. You can add more if you want it nice and spicy. 2 teaspoons of vinegar. You can use lemon juice instead. 2 teaspoons of soya sauce. 3 teaspoons of tomato ketchup, salt as required and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Give everything a good mix. Our spring roll stuffing is ready. To make the edible glue, in a bowl take 2 tablespoons of maida. Add some water and form a thick paste. This edible glue helps to seal the spring roll sheets well. Look, this should be the consistency. To make the spring rolls, I have a spring roll sheet. I felt that the sheet was too big, so I'm making it smaller. And don't worry guys, we'll be using the leftover sheet and stuffing. I have a small recipe for that. For that, you need to watch the video till the end. Apply some edible glue in the bottom and put some stuffing in the middle and arrange it slightly. And then fold like so. That's easy peasy lime squeezy, isn't it? Do the same for the rest. These are now ready to fry. In a pan, heat some oil and then bring your flame to medium. So fry these in medium flame until it turns golden brown in color. Do not fry it in high flame, then it will not be cooked from the inside. This is the color we are looking for. Take it off from the oil. Fry the rest in the same way. Here is a quick recipe for leftover dough. Just drop it into the hot oil. Again, fry it in medium flame until it turns golden in color. Once it turns golden in color, take it off from the oil. Here I am having leftover stuffing. Just drop in the spring roll pakoras and give everything a good mix. This tastes amazing as well. Do give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out to you guys in the comment section below. This is simple and fun to make. These spring rolls and tomato ketchup combination tastes out of this world. Thank you so much for watching. Until then, bye bye.